तेरह हो गया ना? चौथा
14
Episode 14 on Haramco Rink and this is Black Blood edition. Long pending episode, बहुत public demand के बाद finally हो रहा है, बनता है.
मैंने खुद ने ही डिमांड किया था. ठीक है, जो भी है, कोई बात नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच यार.
We finally have Team
आ गए
Black
हम.
Blood on episode 14 of Haramco INC.
So-called team Black Blood.
So called team.
क्यों? So called कैसा क्या हो गया?
ऐसा थोड़ा लोग मिसिंग है ना.
थोड़ा लोग missing है. But yeah, to give you guys perspective, Black Blood is the initiative that Adit Khanzode, my man right here, has started since the last 3 years. 3 years, yeah, 3.5 I'm assuming. And yeah, it's been going strong, doing metal gigs in Bombay, from Navi Mumbai to, shifting to Khar as of recent times. And almost 14 editions now done?
Yeah, 14 editions.
14 editions.
14 episodes.
Yeah, that's actually...
Oh, I thought you were talking about
Coordination. हाँ मेरे को भी लगा Black Blood का बात कर रहा है starting में.
अच्छा है. सबका 14 टाइम आ गया है.
सबका 14.
सबका 14 Anyway, coming back to introduce the team, yeah, so we've got Adit here, and we have Kiran, and we have Shubham, and we have Aditya, and
So guys, what are your roles like?
हाँ, so what's up? कैसा?
सबसे पहला रोल तो ये है कि एक दूसरे को morally support करते रहो.
ये तो है.
करते रहना है भाई Black Blood. सबसे पहला रोल.
वो तो मैं भी करता हूँ.
मॉरल सपोर्ट आदित्य के कमेंट सेक्शन में बहुत होता है.
ऐसा हो जाता है ब्रो. मेरा मोरल इतना एक तो है छोटा सा कि वो डाउन होने में टाइम भी लगता नहीं है ऐसा. तो
बट यार यू टेल टीम को इंट्रोड्यूस कर यार.
ओके, तो शुभम एंड रंगा आर मेनली लाइक ऐसे फोटोग्राफी के लिए एंड ओवरऑल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द इवेंट के लिए काम करते हैं, एंड विच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. दोनों एक साथ संभालना. चलिए हमारे वीडियोस
दोनों एक साथ संभालना.
गेट पे खड़े रहना और वीडियोस बनाना.
हाँ वही गेट पे खड़े.
अच्छा,
रहना
मतलब
भी
Find Adit.
ओके नहीं, दोनों
को संभाल ले.
नहीं हम लोग संभाल लेते हैं एक दूसरे को.
Adit is found drinking in the parking lot.
वो लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं, इसलिए मैं आराम से मस्त दारू पी सकता हूँ, मजे कर सकता हूँ और ऐसा सिर्फ ऑर्डर छोड़ सकता हूँ. एंड दैट इज थैंकफुली ये लोग इतने अच्छे
वो तो
हैं.
हम लोग ऑर्डर वो तो इतना प्यार से बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ग्रुप के अंदर क्या होता है?
उग्रवाद.
ये ग्रुप के अंदर ग्रुप है.
And what does Kiran do? I know Kiran runs the show. Like I have seen him like.
किरण मीम बनाता है. किरण मीम्स शेयर करता है. You should follow किरण for memes. Dankest shit ever.
or you can report him.
किरण को उसके फैन
That would be much better, please, so that वो ब्लैक ब्लड का कुछ शेयर कर सके. That might be.
वही किरण के फैन बेस के लिए रखा है उसको.
वो हाँ.
किरण
किरण ऐसा सोचा है कि
fan base
शायद आएंगे लोग करके, but नहीं.
किरण बुलाएगा.
Okay, तो okay, so first edition of Black Blood started solely because मैं तभी कॉलेज से जस्ट नया निकला था. And I was in RIT, D.Y. Patil College, तो Unchained
Was
used to
the
be a
thing,
very
yeah.
like ऐसा मेरे को जितना हाइप किया था लोगों ने Unchained के बारे में, it
Right.
fucking stood out to be that.
Right.
And that was my first ever metal show in 2011. जहाँ पे
How
मैंने
long was Unchained happening for?
Unchained actually started in it started in 91 or 94.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Yes, like,
yeah.
and then later on it got canned because of some issues,
And it got
Then it started
back.
again.
and then it started back in 2010.
Okay.
I
9?
think I was there for 10 and.
11.
11 I guess.
11. Huh?
11, yeah,
11,
11,
हाँ,
11 exactly.
2011
11 when it came on the main stage where Sigma
Yeah.
was playing, Gutslit was playing. It was Infernal Roth's last show.
Last show.
Yeah, and उसके बाद वाला एडिशन में डिवाइड आया था. But yeah, so basically since I was in that college, तो मैं ऐसा organizing team थोड़ा metal,
Right,
Linkin Park सुनने वाले बच्चे
Right,
metal discover कर रहे थे, थोड़ा Metallica सुनने में आ गए थे, you know, तो oh my god, wow, ये क्या होता है growling वगैरह, you know. So that sort of इसमें उसके आगे लिए wow, maybe I get to perform someday on this stage at the level these musicians are doing, because Unchained used to be like 800-900 fucking people moshing their asses out in a पूरा ऐसा sand का वो.
And even Mood Indigo wouldn't get.
happened on that concrete ground also.
Yeah, I mean, जब भी वो ग्राउंड पे आया था तभी ऐसा I remember
Concrete ground पे।
Yes, वो पहले पीछे बनेगा exactly.
Concrete पे
So this is DY Patil Airoli, right?
Yes, no, not Airoli, it's Nerul.
Nerul, sorry.
yeah.
DY Patil Nerul is where RAIT is
College
the name
is,
of the
yeah.
college. Ram Rao's a dick.
Ram Rao Adik.
Ram Rao's a dick.
Ram Rao Adik.
But yeah, it's pretty cool to know like that's even I don't think even Mudai was having such heavy music happening like unke college festivals.
Muda actually did have a lot of heavy music happening, but
Not
mostly it
this
used to be
heavy.
because of competition.
Right.
You know, because there were no competitions. I mean, there were at that time,
There was Livewire raha hai.
the one that
There was
used to
Power
like be
Chords.
recognized or
Livewire.
something
Yeah.
were Mudai, Unchained, Power Chords,
हाँ.
or even Vartak College ka Octaves. It has been also there for a long
Octaves भी
time.
काफी बड़ा।
But since they have been from the 90s, तो वो college से थोड़ा metal का बू ज़्यादा आ गया.
Right.
So तेरा भाई भी चला गया है उधर. So yeah, so what happened was चल रहा है Unchained and in 2013, which was my last year of college, Unchained got canned because we got a new principal. He saw क्या सब चलता है because that was like the most free metal gig you can. मोश करो, दारू पियो, सब कुछ करो, बिंदास, फूको बिको और ये सब ऐसा
कॉलेज के अंदर
Yeah.
I mean,
That's
not
what
exactly
college
कॉलेज
life
के
is.
अंदर वो कॉलेज के ग्राउंड पे होता था बट जो भी था यू नो इट वाज
कॉलेज लाइफ है यार, यही तो करते हैं कॉलेज में. हाँ.
वो तो हम अभी
Metal
वही
gigs.
करते हैं.
हाँ.
So
it got canned.
So it got canned. And afterwards, New Bombay mein, there used to be promoters who were doing many gigs at Marine Center, but there used to always be some or the other problems with those gigs and something like that. And they stopped happening eventually. So there was this period wherein my band was very much active and we did not have gigs to play.
Right.
And there were so many bands that I knew who were friends. And you know, they were like, अरे यार gigs ही नहीं है bro, अभी क्या करने का ऐसा वैसा करके. So with help of one of my friends who also like has been one of the founding members of Black Blood, Keurkar Adkhedkar, if you guys know, from MH43,
India.
like he was a very good friend of mine. He rather still is, but what happened was, so I approached him कि अरे bro, तुम लोग इतना gigs play करते हो and all that, so please help a brother out, bro.
Yeah.
Like you have seen us jamming. He used to own that jam room over there called as Kiosk in Navi Mumbai. So Orcus used to go and jam there. And
okay.
so we developed a bond from there,
right,
you know. So he was like, okay, this guy genuinely wants to maybe do something for metal या फिर बकचोदी कर रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है, you know. Let's try and support him. So that is how we, with help of Keur, we put down the first edition जिसमें Orcus had played. Seth करके एक बैंड था, कुणाल मेहता, करण मेहता. Five Castles was there. Emergency Trigger was there.
इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर
हो गए क्या 5 बैंड?
और एक और था
हो गए रे 5 या ओके हाँ तो फर्स्ट इसमें 5 एंड इट वाज क्वाइट अ सक्सेसफुल एडिशन लाइक वी हैड केप्ट पे व्हाट यू वांट जैसे कि एंड frankly speaking Black Blood is a DIY gig जो हम लोग चिल्ला चिल्ला के कहते हैं we have taken this DIY or die from Control or Delete, let's say, or maybe Party La La La.
Right.
Because these guys have
I
been.
saw the first few editions. Every time you all did, you also posted your accounts after the.
Which was something that
which is something that
Control Delete has done,
I
yeah.
think when the Control Delete people like actually liked it and they shared that also.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, जब हम लोग
There's
जब
that
हम लोग ऐसा-
transparency.
So what happened was when we started accepting online donations for one edition or something, तो तभी it was bound कि bro अगर तूने पैसा दिया है तो मैं
We need to give you
we
a
need to give
account.
you account of कि तूने online मेरे को सिर्फ प्रोडक्शन के लिए तो इतना पैसा दे रहा था, तेरा पैसा खा पे खर्चा हुआ है, you know. So that was very necessary. But what used to happen, like first gig में ऐसा नहीं था कि अरे मैं ये बैंड ब्रो देख ऐसा मैं तेरे को इतना पे कर पाएगा or something. It was just that कि bro
We need to make it happen.
We need to make sure that there are live metal gigs happening, you know. Okay, hand actions बहुत सारा but ठीक है होता है मेरे साथ.
इंटरैक्टिव लग रहा है तो दैट्स इट
हाँ तो
हाँ बोल
क्या बोल रहा था मैं?
So you basically Cult Lounge, was it Cult Lounge?
Yes, it was
yeah,
Cult
Cult
Lounge.
Cult Lounge.
Yeah.
And you all did how many editions
Six.
there?
We did 6 editions in Cult Lounge. Yeah.
I think
Unchained
one
तक.
rock edition also.
Yeah, one rock edition also happened, which was called as a Rampage.
Rampage.
Yeah.
Including the Unchained
अनचेन
Yeah,
कल्ट में ही हुआ था ना
Yes. So we also did a tribute gig for Unchained, which
Unchained.
was
Right.
Black Blood 6 #Unchained.
Unchained.
Okay.
And that was exactly during the time when Horizon Festival occurs at RAIT.
Okay. Hashtags are a
Hashtag
huge
मारा
thing.
मारे सुअर के बच्चे
हाँ, what are the सुअर के बच्चे happened recently?
because
recently,
सुअर
yeah.
के बच्चे वो
Because it was the
हाँ, याद है मेरे भाई.
Hashtag Mara Mari.
that was
Black Blood 5 was hashtag. Black Blood 3 was hashtag Insaf or Insaniयत. That was kept by Q.
हाँ उस टाइम वही डिसाइड करता था.
तो काफी सारा ऐसा क्यूमुलेटिव डिसीजन रहता था हम लोग का. But yeah. Second.
नेक्स्ट वाला क्या है?
नेक्स्ट वाला अभी जो होने वाला है
वो थोड़ा सा है.
हमने core में अभी
क्या किया
मैंने
है?
सोच के रखा है लाइक
हाँ,
टेंटेटिव
हाँ.
ऐसा hashtag metal 420 बट ठीक है देखते हैं.
Because that is like date नहीं. Date नहीं कुछ नहीं. No one knows
It is
anything.
related to the date and ऐसा सब कुछ वैसा.
The last edition was called Core Machai Shore.
Yeah, very cheesy.
And हाँ and
बस चाहिए था hashtag.
cheesy से याद है हमारे cheesy आदित्य ने बहुत cheesy सा एक status डाला था.
Oh.
And tell me
That
what.
helped the cake.
नहीं ऐसा शर्म आ रही है मेरे को बोलने के लिए.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो
Yeah, so basically to give you guys context, so the previous edition before the last one, which was your
सुअर के
सुअर के
बच्चे.
बच्चे. The सुअर के बच्चे edition had like 3 grind bands and you know infamous interview that Tabby has now come back to the podcast after 1 episode break because he was recovering from the hangover. We were all very hungover.
yeah.
That was a crazy night, but unfortunately there were not a lot of people who actually showed up, being it a Friday
59,
night.
right?
Yeah,
It was 59
people. There were 3
Three
bands
bands
from
from
Bangalore, which does not happen often, and the 3
Overall,
bands
that
and
gig
like
was very tight.
yeah, 3 bands and I think 100 odd songs between them. But but jokes aside, it was a great gig, and unfortunately there was not an expected turnout that you know would support a gig like that. And Adit was once again on the fence, which most metal promoters end up being. How long is this going to go on, and how are we going to pull this one off? And then Core Machai Shore happened, and you know there was sunshine in Adit's life. क्या हो गया फिर भाई?
So the thing was मैं ऐसा what happens is usually when I wake up in the morning
हाँ.
and ऐसा okay चल लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करने को
As
तब
usual.
मेरे को ऐसा होता है
Status डाल रहा है.
Facebook पे status डालो.
वो करने के बाद आदित्य बीच में एक और स्टेटस निकाला था लाइक इफ यू डोंट प्रमोट माय गिग और इफ यू आर प्लेइंग ऑन माय लाइनअप यू विल नॉट प्ले अगेन.
No, this was the same status which he's talking about.
वही,
This
वही,
was
वही,
the status.
वही,
bro.
वही.
Yeah, this was
हम
the
लोग उसके
status.
पहले वाला
बाद में आया था.
नहीं,
उसके
नहीं,
पहले
नहीं,
एक इमोशनल पोस्ट डाला था.
हाँ बाद में एंग्री हो गया.
हाँ तू डाला था बड़ा पोस्ट डाला था ब्रो तू.
हाँ एक इमो था और एक एंग्री था.
नहीं. Okay, ठीक है.
You
सब
set the record.
Promotional tactics.
तो हाँ तो वैसे ही मैंने डाल दिया और फिर बाद में सबसे पहला कमेंट आया था अरे ये तो साहिल है रे.
Yeah, that was me.
And then I was like oh.
बिल्कुल साहिल पे गया है ये. And for people who don't know, Adit is also infamously known as Dombivli's demon stealer.
Yeah, full वड़ा पाव बनाता हूँ मैं घर पे. So after doing a very after giving a very unsuccessful edition according audience wise, like बाकी तो bands wise,
suffered.
performances wise, even capturing the
Was
videos,
really good.
everything was good and we enjoyed ourselves like
Right. It was a good.
and
good
and
show.
you know it was the only thing that hurt me the most was कि bro like it is not कि मैं 5-6 लोगों को enjoy करने के लिए bands like you would have had fucking gotten to see all those bands live जो तुम लोग को regularly नहीं देखने मिलता है
Right.
because Bombay does not have a lot of grind bands frankly speaking
Yeah, it don't-
and
doesn't
if we
exist.
are like you know if we are trying to give you new bands to check out to so we expected that everyone who has been supporting Black Blood would show up कि
Right.
okay चलो
To check something
कोई
new.
outstation नए acts आए हैं and all that so that was the major disappointment like obviously पैसे का loss
Expectations
हुआ and all that shit happened वो तो हुआ ही but we felt let down by Bombay crowd which has been
Exactly,
attending
yeah.
Black Blood you know
Right.
so उसके बाद इसीलिए वो emotional outburst वगैरह हो गया
Right.
and then I even realized कि यार ये क्या चूतियागिरी क्या मैंने किया सीरियसली ऐसा शाम को मैं ऐसे दोस्त के घर पे ऐसा हो गया ना फिर सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन और फिर एक ऐसा बैंगलोर से सम गॉडफादर कॉलिंग मी एंड
अच्छा, Godfather.
Yeah.
बिगर
काफी टाइम ऐसे
कौन है
ऐसा-
बैंगलोर वाले गॉडफादर?
He knows.
अनोनिमस रहना बहुत पसंद करते हैं
बहुत ज्यादा।
तो किसके लिए कर रहा है खुद के लिए कर रहा है किसके लिए नहीं कर रहा है भाई सबका एक
Right.
सो मैंने वो हटा दिया और फिर अपॉलॉजीज भी डाला एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि ठीक है ब्रो पब्लिक को नहीं आना रहेगा तो आई कैन नॉट फोर्स देम टू
Right.
यू नो गिग डाल रहा हूँ लाइक अगर वी आर डूइंग गिग्स इफ वी आर ट्राइंग टू make this scene happen it is giving us satisfaction somewhere is the reason
Right.
why we have continued doing it for 14 editions
Right.
and we cannot blame the audience if they stop turning up या फिर कुछ भी हो you know because जो satisfaction इसको मेरे को इसको मिल रहा है वो अलग ही है एक gig सिर्फ execute करने के बाद
Right.
So ये गिग के टाइम पे कोर मचा शोर वी हैड 27 ऑनलाइन बुकिंग्स एंड आई वाज लाइक कि okay, ये सिर्फ 27 लोग भी आए ब्रो, मैं खुश हूँ, you know,
कुछ expectation ही नहीं रखा
मैंने
था।
expectation ही नहीं रखा dude, and like चल 50-60 जितने भी आए क्यों नहीं आए, and bro I don't know, you're fucking showered by 140 odd people, which was
that's a
huge,
great audience, yeah.
you know,
That's
I was,
Is this the best?
no it's not the best, we got
160.
165 at Black Blood 7,
That
but
was cut.
वो तभी ऐसा
Best
थोड़ा,
for the car.
yeah, best
Yes,
for the car, no doubt, best for the car,
best edition at Khar so
Yeah.
far.
What about
even Noiseware वाले में भी around 150,
Godless में भी that was
140.
good. Godless
Yeah, that
में
was a great show. I mean,
Yes,
we
yes,
were
yes.
there, we
Yeah,
played there,
exactly.
so yeah.
what about the gig that we did in the Bandra one?
Casa Vito.
Casa
Vito.
Vito, yeah, that is where 160 people had come.
Oh,
वहाँ भी अच्छा
Not Black Blood 9, I'm talking about Black Blood 7.
7
Where Sanjeev जी के
पैर
पैर
तोड़
के लग गए थे, शॉक थेरेपी हो गया था उसके पैर के साथ।
I'm going to cut right here. We're going to talk about gigs that happened previously with Frameshift and connect that as well. with,
Yeah,
you know,
dude, I fucking
the-
attended so many gigs.
The Navi
man.
Mumbai scene and how the scene has shifted from there to Khar now because of it's just because of ease of access and how gigs are happening lately.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll come back to that. Let's play something on the podcast right now. So
We are going to play Satled's Reconcile.
yeah, the new Sutlej single. This one's called Reconcile. Check it out. You're listening to Haramkhor Ring. Stay Haramkhor.
Stay Haramkhor.
Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that. We call ourselves social living beings. Every day we drive on machines, oppression, politics, and corruption can never be seen. It's only your silence that makes you clean. It's only apathy that makes you surreal. What I am. This is what I do. This is how it should be. Compromise with day. Yeah. A day may come when the human race will satisfying hunger and thirst, bounded to kill, blood will spill, nothing else, just that real evil, lust and greed. Let what Cayenne do and then feel the field, bounded to kill, blood will spill, nothing else, just that real evil. Immoral I live, immoral I die, immoral fate, immoral I find. Do I cease to live? Do I cease to die? I cease more evil, cease to find what I am. This is what I do. This is how it should be. Compromise with day. Yeah. I can't see, but am I blind? I can't hear, but am I deaf? Of this world made of silent creatures, like a cloud, Little voices and blind, deaf, silent screeches. Blind, deaf, silent screeches. Reconcile. Yes, what I am. That is what I do. That is how it should be. Compromise with dying. A day may come when the human race feels satisfying hunger and thirst. Motive to kill, blood will spill. Nothing else, just that will heal. For lust and greed, let mankind do an end. Feel the fear. Motive to kill, blood will spill. Motive to kill, blood will spill.
Going back into the past, we'll talk about gigs that happened in Navi Mumbai. So you mentioned, there were gigs happening at Marine Center and at Raghuleela.
Yeah, even Raghuleela.
Raghuleela.
So-
Crazy Blue.
Crazy Blue.
Yeah.
Hindu Metal Festival.
Right, exactly. And that's when Frame Shift Initiatives was very active. And we were very involved when
with
me
the
and
Frame
Tabby
Shift.
were in Pune, and like the Pune scene was also like fledgling. It was pretty much the same, like it was running literally in parallel. You guys, like Orcus, Abstruse, and like other bands were doing your thing in Bombay. And slightly before that, maybe like a year before that, it was bands like Chaos Camp. Dirge wasn't there yet,
Dirge wasn't
but there was Gaia's Throne.
Gaia's
There
Throne,
was
Anarchy. There was
Yeah.
Anarchy.
And
Grim Mortal was there.
Mortal.
Kenny was a part of.
Kenny was a part of
Yeah. And all of these bands were like trying to do their own thing. Navi Mumbai had its scene, and we had our scene in Wakad. It was full on suburban.
Wakad open air.
Exactly.
I remember this.
That's what we called it. Wakad open air. Like it was full on suburban, metal scenes happening in basements, in like
Basements
malls
of
and
hotels. Basement
malls
of
and
hotels.
whatnot.
Oh, yes.
Malls.
But there was extreme metal happening back then also. There was a variety. Like you would see on a same lineup, you'd see a band like Atmosphere. You'd see like a band like like Grimmortal, and at the same time. At the same time, there'd be like newer acts from both cities coming and playing, and it was quite active. So how did that carry forward? Because gigs stopped happening both in Pune and Navi Mumbai eventually.
Almost around the same time.
So I
think.
remember attending at least 2 gigs for sure. I remember attending in Crazy Blue.
Right.
That is where I fucking got to see Shock Therapy for the first
Right.
fucking time, dude.
Right.
And
First time we
I
saw
still
that
remember thanking Sanjeev and Ajay apart. Like,
Right.
क्या सुना दिया तुम लोग ने bro?
Right.
क्या दिखा दिया? Like,
Right.
and that is the reason why I got them over for Blackbeard 7 as well.
Right.
And that is where even I got that liking for that kind of music.
Exactly right.
Because ऐसा सब genres अपन लोग ने कभी देखा
देखा
नहीं
नहीं,
ना
सुना नहीं।
discover किया है.
वही उसमें क्या डिफाइल्ड एंड मतलब
That was
The
one
Defiled
of the
was
last one of the last
latest
flavors.
Malapataki.
I think the best one was the play. When these guys were Plague Throne, Elemental, and Primitive.
Right.
That was the best one.
Right.
Even Sharified.
Sharified.
Dude, like hardcore bands. And
Yeah.
I saw a genuine liking in तभी के time का so-called Bombay clan of metal heads who used to come up for those underground scenes and stuff
And
like that.
actively in Navi Mumbai.
Yeah, actively in Navi
Actively.
Mumbai. Yeah, because
वो टाइम 300-400 पब्लिक आता था
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right.
also.
300 आता था.
नहीं, into metal fest में इतने लोग तो नहीं आए हैं मेरे को.
But I remember.
Fake numbers मत फैला bro. ठीक है.
कोई
ठीक है, कोई बात. Okay.
हाँ,
चलें.
Like the best
हाँ, मैंने
shows
मरीन
would
सेंटर पे देखा
हाँ.
300 350
The best shows have seen around here.
वो सिग्नेमा
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं
इन
because
में नहीं है
I'll tell you why ये नहीं करना चाहिए, because when I was in college मेरे को ऐसे लगता था, जब मैं खुद इंटरनेशनल गिग्स कभी देखने नहीं गया था, I had never been to Bangalore,
Right.
तो मेरे को ऐसा ओके चलेगा, अरे गोजीरा आया था, यानी ब्रो कम से कम 10,000 लोग तो आए रहेंगे, you know. This was my calculation as a
Right.
kid at
Right.
मेरा अरे इंजीनियरिंग एग्जाम है इसलिए नहीं जा पाया वगैरह. Okay, then I fucking had a brief conversation, a deep conversation with one of the old school metalheads who like you know always visit and shit. चूतिया है क्या तू बहनचोद, like you know 800 लोग आए थे गोजीरा के लिए. What? ऐसा you know heart break, dreams crushed, but
तो नहीं थे, ज्यादा थे I think.
नहीं, no, they were
They're like putting
2000
it
I
mildly.
think.
no.
2000.
Okay, तू समझ रहा like whatever my number of thinking was, उसके 1/8 लोग आए रहेंगे, समझ ले ऐसा.
Yeah.
Let's not take
Yeah.
the actual numbers, but तो उसके वजह से आई वाज ओके चलो भाई देख इजी नहीं है ये मेटल सीन में तेरे को कुछ भी करने का. इवन इफ यू आर फकिंग गेटिंग एन इंटरनेशनल बैंड, यू डू नॉट हैव दैट गारंटी ऑफ you know people showing up the way you
Right.
have
Expect,
for a
yeah.
Mohit Chauhan concert या फिर
Right.
जो भी हो
For
Bollywood
popular
में.
music.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's
that's
festival was best example. The Japan se band and 25 was the crowd, 20-25.
Dude, and what a band if
What
I
a great
was.
band.
What a
Balapati was
band.
also
Holy
Heartbreaking.
shit. I got to play with them twice and every time I watched them I was like, oh, ye kya hai?
They were nuts.
बहुत cool band.
So they just go ta 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 and then they be
तो
dubbing the
face
song.
capture नहीं करता है.
And in Pune,
Thank you!
Thank you, Pune! I will never forget
Dude,
that.
this is not even the most bizarre thing that I have seen. The most bizarre thing was I was playing
The
with Dirge
bassist.
in Bangalore.
The bassist,
Nah,
yeah.
so basically, I think we were playing Echoes from Beneath too.
Yeah.
And they were headlining.
3 or 4
And they were coming from Nepal.
हाँ.
उन लोग का फ्लाइट डिले हो गया था.
हाँ.
तो उन लोग ने रात को 12 बजे बाकी सब बैंड्स का 10 बजे प्ले करके हो गया. उन लोग 12 बजे बजा रहे हैं क्योंकि उन लोग पहुंचे ही नहीं है.
Okay, so the audience was waiting for them basically.
ऑडियंस वाज वेटिंग फॉर देम. हम लोग उधर जा रहे हैं, दारू पी रहे हैं. फिर मैं बैंड आया, वो लोग गया ग्रीन रूम में एंड आई सी द बेसिस्ट, ही ओपन्स हिज सूटकेस.
Suitcase, huh?
वो अपना गिटार का फ्रेटबोर्ड निकालता है, अपना गिटार का बॉडी निकालता है और स्क्रू ड्राइवर से लगा देता है.
He screws it back in. He puts the strings back on and he starts playing them.
वो सूटकेस खोला, उसके अंदर से अपना फ्रेटबोर्ड निकाला और उसमें अपना बॉडी निकाला, उसको स्क्रू किया, उसमें स्ट्रिंग्स लगाया, फिर उसके बाद यस आई एम रेडी टू गो.
That's Japanese efficiency at its like the best.
Best. This is the most bizarre thing I have seen.
Maximum the hormone. नमस्कार.
But yeah, like so coming
Adit
back
लेके आना.
to Navi Mumbai
सोच
shows.
रहा हूँ.
So when did you all move from like Black Blood from Cult Lounge to Bandra and
हाँ, basically.
Okay, so 6th edition was the final edition that happened at Cult, which was Black Blood 6 #Unchained.
Right.
And Cult was going under renovation after that, so we did not have a venue only.
And the lineups until then were very local.
Yeah, they were 90% they were local.
Local, yeah.
It was
Yeah.
basically,
Absolutely.
and we had Zero Gravity coming down from Indore, and
That's
that was
about
just
it,
because
yeah.
we knew
One
each other
act
through.
comes down at best times.
Yeah, तो वैसा हो रहा था. So
मेरे भी
उसके
मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा आई थिंक 2-3 पुणे
Three.
Pune
हाँ,
6 में ही था, तो 6 में ही था. 6 में ही था. 6 में निकोटीन था, निकोटीन, रेवरी एंड
Last Ride Home.
लास्ट राइड नहीं.
इधर का है बैंड्रा का बैंड.
ओके, मेरे को लगा तो ऐप्स की बात कर रहे हैं.
Bandra doesn't count, guys.
Dombivli does. Dombivli count. All us from Dombivli.
देवर थी, उसकी ड्रमर थी.
Right.
Yeah.
थ्रैश बैंड था.
अरे Thrash
Sephiroth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 7th May, there was another venue that we found out. Thanks again to Keur, which was Casa Vito,
Right.
and we shifted it over there. But so the main, again I'll tell you. So even metal gigs ko promote karne ke liye, we always used to have this offer going on alcohol, knowing that alcohol always gets you going in the
Right,
plate
right.
and shit like that. And metalheads fucking love to drink.
Drink, of course.
And we cannot like वो अपन लोग fact को deny नहीं कर
Yeah,
सकते.
I mean-
So वो एक चल भाई
Anyone-
तू gig के लिए अगर नहीं तो भी चल दारू पीने के लिए आजा भाई देख ले gig.
You have to be at a BYOB gig. You have to be at a BYOB gig at Habitat to know what's up. It is debauchery. There is Black Blood is always associated with fun, party, and regrets the next day. For
एक बार वो आर्नल्ड ग्लेन ऐसा ओल्ड मॉन्क और पार्ले जी लेके आए
epic moment है
I won't even get into what the Sutlej boys do in terms of food and beverage. उनका choices क्या है ना, वो मतलब
so here
wine and cheese.
wine and cheese
Yes.
wine and cheese पार्ले जी and old monk और क्या
The most unique kind of combination that we have ever had at Blackbird now. Sutlej boys.
Arnold
entertaining as fuck.
और नीरज सिंह चौहान
Oh yes, dude. Neeraj.
Okay, before we digress, talking about moving from Navi Mumbai to
Bandra.
Yeah, so Bandra mein, I was talking about alcohol
Deal,
because they were offering alcohol at MRP rates.
yeah.
And it was fucking cheap
It was
as
nuts.
shit, bro.
It was nuts.
क्योंकि मैं जब पहुंचा और जब भी चालू किया सेटअप वगैरह एंड बैंड्स आ गए एज यूजुअल ब्लैकब्लड 1 घंटा लेट चालू रहती
ये अभी
You know,
time पे होता है
वो ट्रेडिशन
Tradition.
ये अभी टाइम पे
ritual
करते हैं,
है
अभी
वो
time पे
Okay,
करते हैं।
okay, I'll tell you
ऐसा
one
मत
thing. Confession time, guys.
okay
The reason why I always start the gig 1 hour later is क्योंकि मेरे को पता है लोग लेट ही आने वाला है और फर्स्ट बैंड के लिए पब्लिक नहीं रुकता है ब्रो. सो अगर फर्स्ट बैंड को भले 40-30 लोग भी मिल जाए ना तो
अच्छा लगता
वो लोगों को भी मोरल ये रहता है, बूस्ट हो जाता है.
फर्स्ट ब्रांड
सो एग्जैक्टली, तो इसलिए तुम लोग आया करो टाइम पे, फिर हम लोग टाइम पे चालू करेंगे.
अभी तू 7 बजे बोलेगा तो
अपन
लोग 9 बजे
इन्फेस्टेशन वाला
आएंगे.
गिग टाइम पे चालू किया था
अभी 5 बजे रखूंगा. ओ ये सवाल ही नहीं. तभी टैली कर रहा था ना मैनेज ब्रो सब कुछ. तभी सब मैं खुश था, मैं वापस बाजू में जाके दारू पी रहा था. तू है ना. तो हाँ, मैं बेसिकली कुछ नहीं
तो फिर कासावीटो पे फिर बहुत दारू था, फिर क्या हो गया आगे?
ओके, तो कासावीटो पे वी हैड 6-7 बैंड लाइनअप एंड दैट वाज 160 पीपल और समथिंग टर्निंग अप एंड
Shock Therapy ending the night.
Shock Therapy ending the night, and that was again one of the most successful gigs in terms of like I managed to at least pay the bands, obviously not what they charge and everything, but whatever was
जो भी है, थोड़ा
possible
जितना
from
भी
a
possible. Which is a great
DIY thing,
Yeah,
you know. एंड ऑल्सो मैनेज टू अर्न थोड़ा पैसा मेरे लिए है, ये सब लोग के लिए है. तो वहां से फिर वी वर लाइक कॉन्फिडेंट कि हाँ चलो होते रहेगा.
Right.
देन लेटर ऑन फॉर ब्लैकब्लड 8 आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी प्लान्स एज सच बिकॉज थे थोड़े आलस बोलो या फिर कुछ बाकी के कमिटमेंट एंड स्टफ. But yeah, so at that time what happened was Chester passed away, and I am ऐसा मेरा बचपन या फिर रॉक म्यूजिक में घुसना चालू हुआ लिंकिंग पार्क से. डिस करो
It's a
गाना
gateway,
कुछ भी
gateway
करो.
band.
So मैं प्यार है लिंकिंग पार्क लोग. तो ऐसा 2-3 दिन तक कंटिन्यूसली तेरा भाई रोएला है एंड like one very infamous guy from the scene calls me up and like bro
Infamous
अपन
guy.
करते हैं क्या bro, ट्रिब्यूट करते हैं क्या bro. So like क्यों नहीं dude, like let's fucking do it because like चल मैं मेरे जाम रूम का तेरे को सब कुछ देगा ऐसा एंड अपन अपने को प्रोडक्शन का खर्चा नहीं आएगा. फिर ठीक है चलो अभी क्लिक हो. अभी ये थोड़ा रिस्क फ्री भी हो रहा है क्लिक हो. थैंकफुली अभी रिस्क फ्री भी हो रहा है. वो बंदे का नाम नहीं ले सकते हम इसीलिए. तो फिर हाँ हम लोग ने जाम चालू कर
ये
दिया.
गोरेगांव में था ना कहीं पे तो
अंधेरी
वर्सोवा
Bombay Breeze
cafe.
All under.
So we hardly did 3 jams, but everyone who was, we had around 18 musicians from
22
overall
Right,
सारे
my
bands
sheet है
वगैरह.
अभी लोग.
Right.
Okay, ठीक,
22.
22. Sir.
Even we had Kiran Desai.
हाँ, he was also there on vocals. So
ये भी था.
वही सारे हम लोग
But it's like just not only the bands, even the public was standing, even they were singing, like they were even do the whole of the bands and everything.
Right. Singing
So
along.
that
It's like
was a very
full flow में आ गए थे,
emotional- yeah.
like that.
तो हाँ ये था ब्लैकब्लड 8 का कहानी. Where we did a Linkin Park tribute, we enjoyed and it was like हाँ ठीक है bro, कोई भी की में गा रहा है नहीं गा रहा है या फिर अच्छे से गा रहा है नहीं गा रहा है जो
नहीं
काफी
फर्क
अच्छा ही था. बट ब्रो
पर feels के
इमोशनली
साथ
समझ रहे
exactly.
कैसा आज मैं लिंकिंग पार्क का गाना गा रहा हूँ क्योंकि इट लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू अ रियल ट्रिब्यूट टू दैट पर्सन. तो एवरी म्यूजिशियन फेल्ट कि हाँ I want to pay my tribute to him in
Even Melroy from
Split. Yeah, even he played a song with us.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. I played a show with Melroy. I mean, he did a couple of songs with us when we did
RADM tribute.
the Rage
RADM,
Fest.
yes.
I mean, that's one of the great tribute nights that have happened. I'm
That's
glad
fucking crazy,
And
bro.
you know what I like about tribute gigs is that as much as people like to criticize it and like call out and say कि तुम लोग दूसरे लोग के music पे I remember Shashak himself said that you're having someone else's orgasm.
Yeah.
I get his point of view. Like ठीक है तो like if you're just going to do that and not do anything else, maybe you desire a little more to do your own music and stuff like that. But when it comes from fans doing it as fans for the band and for fans of the band, that is where it counts the most. And it doesn't matter how big or small you are. It doesn't even matter if you are in a band or not. But if you can do your job. And just to link back to an older tribute that we've done in Pune for Iron Maiden, and we got Wipro over and stuff. So he was the only guy who was in the non-Pune, circuit who came and played. And Pritesh joined us just because he could. He no jams, nothing. He just came and they did Hallowed Be Thy Name with us.
Yeah, Pritesh is famous for doing this.
And with each one of these tribute nights, what I've realized is you're actually getting 18-20 guys who would otherwise never interact or do anything with each other.
Very true.
To be actually united for a change. And
I think that is the point which also Shashank made in his podcast, because
he did it himself. He did it himself
because otherwise these people won't play with each other.
Yeah. And that's why he managed to pull in Nolan and Gaurav Basu and bands from Delhi and Bangalore to come together and do a Pantera / Slayer tribute. And he did that both in Delhi and in Bangalore. And it's not because they don't have original music to play, it's just because it's community. This is shit.
It's a love for music.
Yeah, it's a love for music. It's what you heard and what you grew up with, and you obviously have a lot of emotional attachment to it. And it's important to keep doing these things, which wants me to nudge, wink, right here. क्या plans है आदित्य साहब?
किस चीज के?
आगे के. सोचना
Coffee
पड़ेगा.
plan.
अभी प्लानिंग करते हैं.
प्लान तो बहुत सारे हैं.
एक ब्रेक लेते हैं.
Okay.
थोड़ा प्लानिंग करते हैं. तब तक एक गाना बजा लेते हैं.
2 गाने बजाएंगे अभी.
2 गाने बजाएंगे.
One Ungod by Carnage INC
All right.
and Eternal Returns का Mumbai.
Right. We've got Eternal Returns and Carnage next up on Haramcore Plays. This is Haramcore Ring. Stay tuned and stay Haramcore.
Almighty is the hand, meet surrender. Struggle may you command, face yourself for his unpredictable stand. Blood is spilled, and there's no need for violence. Slaughter takes place of innocent life. Thy divinity makes no sense. Art thou just, or just a jester? In the name of the bigger one, join your hands and raise your gun. In the name of the God we trust, one day in hell you shall burn. Suffer, grave loots, and blunders. Victim's path is tougher. Criminal commits another murder. Infant's life ensnare. The sinner's life is spared. Astonishing is thy plan, filled with dead and dread. Capture the one and only. I'll just capture the cops and only. To a life in the monster. What I like to do, I'm like blood. Leave alone. Have mercy upon me. For at least the one who giveth and taketh. Is it the light that will forever last? Or just a kid with a magnifying glass? Oh, we know now, Frinkle One, you're the light that will make us
Welcome back to Haram Khora INC. We have Team Black Blood with us. So, Adit, tell us, as a promoter, to a promoter. What goes into making a gig happen?
FYI, Tabby did roots with Bajao for a very long time when Antisocial was active. But yeah.
Tabby has done.
हाँ बोलो
भाई,
बोलो.
Tabby
Tabby G.
Tabby G है वो.
Tabby G. अच्छा. हाँ but coming back.
Okay, so coming back. So पहले
Tabby
जब
G
चालू
is
किया था
dabbing.
तभी हम लोग like we did not think of logistics a lot as such कि ऐसा हाँ ठीक है कुछ होगा क्योंकि हम लोग ने ऐसा डील सिक्योर करके रखा था वेन्यू के साथ तभी कि साउंड का थोड़ा पैसा MH43 का गिग होने वाला है शाम को लाइक when Kevur was involved तो
Okay.
it used to be such कि हाँ चलो दोपहर को Black Bird होगा
You all used to do afternoon gigs, right?
Yeah.
we used to do afternoon gigs
Afternoon
Raat
gigs.
ko MH40.
yeah and then in the at night this on the same setup there would be a Bollywood gig happening and stuff like that वैसा तो production cost easily cut down हो सकता था क्योंकि दो gigs बज रहे हैं उस पे and तो वैसे सस्ते में चल रहा था बट लेटर ऑन जैसे पब्लिक बढ़ते गया एंड वैसे तो वी स्टार्टेड हायरिंग बैकलाइन क्योंकि ओके जस्ट
We can do that.
Some bands with backline.
एक थोड़ा ऐसा प्रोडक्शन
Value
वैल्यू
yes.
इंक्रीज करने के लिए
Yeah,
शो का
absolutely.
एवरीथिंग वो सब वी ट्राइड डूइंग दैट स्टफ and now how it works with Habitat is if everyone knows that we have to take the venue at rent
True.
and उसका साउंड का भी अलग से खर्चा है अगर तुम लोग को बाहर से साउंड लेके आना है तो अलग खर्चा है
Right.
तो उतना भी लाइक यू नो
To cover that cost.
टू कवर दैट कॉस्ट तो सिर्फ प्रोडक्शन का कॉस्ट कवर करने के लिए 75 to 100 लोग लग जाता है लाइट्स टू स्मोक
Sound
मशीन
and
पकड़ तेरा साउंड क्रू एवरीथिंग सब कुछ पकड़ के यू नो तो what I have seen is that we have had only repetitive faces for these 14
Absolutely.
editions mostly like it's not कि नए
जो
लोग
लोग
नहीं
literally
आए
बस
हैं
Black Blood के लिए आते हैं, like not even for the
I
bands.
think this you all have this dedicated black.
हाँ
वो बन रहा है bro
The Karna se.
Karna, yeah.
The Karan Yadav.
Alex is
always there.
Parth
राधे
is
कृष्णा.
there. Bro बहुत नाम है मैं I don't want to get into names because फिर बाकी लोगों
one
का
name,
मेरा
मेरा
नाम
नाम
ले
नहीं
लिया
लिया।
यार ये तो आदित्य सामने तो इतना अच्छे से बिहेव करता है मेरा नाम नहीं लिया you know? Like the main reason मेरी कैमरा पे आने से फटती भी है कि मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे कुछ बोलने के वजह से ब्लैक ब्लड की नहीं गांड लग जाए you know
कितनी फटी पड़ी
वही
है देखो.
exactly वही
कितनी
सोच रहा
फटी
था।
पड़ी है
कितनी
देखो.
फटी पड़ी है starting
मेरे ऊपर करो एपिसोड अभी नहीं.
नहीं अभी एपिसोड इसलिए करो क्योंकि मैं तुम लोग को कुछ संकेत देना चाहता हूँ
संकेत क्या
कुछ
संकेत देना है
टिप्पणियां देना चाहता हूँ
टिप्पणियां.
कुछ ऐसे बोलना चाहता हूँ प्लीज आओ मैं गिग्स पे
टिप्पणी
क्यों
क्या?
ओके क्यों
Sa, cues.
so there was a time we were talking about Unchained,
Right.
Octaves,
Right.
all these
All the
stuff.
great
There was a time
shows
when
in the past.
colleges used to fucking entertain metal music
gigs, yeah.
where they did not have rules like अरे distortion guitar नहीं रहना चाहिए तेरा
हाँ,
distortion
showcase
का
भी चलता है।
पोटेंशियोमीटर है ना 7 नंबर के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए वगैरह all that bullshit
लेवल 2 ना who was that कुछ तो
ऐसे
2 लेवल के ऊपर
हाँ, 2
distortion.
लेवल के ऊपर डिस्टॉर्शन नहीं चाहिए ऐसा किसको पता है ये क्या रहता है ग्राउलिंग वोकल्स अलाउड नहीं है बजाने का तो
vocals बिल्कुल
इंस्ट्रूमेंटल
allowed
बजा ऐसा ऐसा एंड ये सब चूतियागिरी
लेवल 2 के ऊपर है तो पता कैसे चलेगा.
तो भाई ये कौन सा लेवल कौन सा यूनिट है डिस्टॉर्शन मेजर करने का ब्रो
डिस्टॉर्टोमीटर
ओवर टाइम लगाया तो
डिस्टॉर्टोमीटर लगाया
नहीं ऐसा ऐसा चूतिया सब सीन्स है ना व्हिच आर लाइक व्हिच स्पेसिफिकली आर फॉर मेटल म्यूजिक उसके वजह से ब्रो कॉलेजेस ने एंटरटेन करना बंद कर दिया है बॉलीवुड बैंड्स आर ट्राइंग टू अडैप्ट इनटू ऑल अदर जॉनर्स एक जैज बॉलीवुड बजा रहा है एक ब्लूज बजा रहा है एक सो कॉल्ड मेटल
बस
बजा रहा
Bollywood
है
है।
बॉलीवुड and these guys have started fucking you know taking college stages
Right, absolutely.
at a larger level. There used to be a time where bands used to get paid like 50 grand,
They play
1
original
lakh
music.
and shit for playing original music.
Yeah.
At a college festival,
Yeah.
people used to fucking also turn up because social media नहीं था इतना bro कि अरे मैं जाके देखो और जज कर सकूं कि अरे
Live देख
हाँ, ये
लिया,
band
खत्म
कैसा
कर
है,
दिया,
नहीं
नहीं
चढ़
देखने
जाने
का।
मेरे का नहीं देखने का you know
Right.
वो एक रहता है so okay confession time लोग मेरे को ऐसा ना अरे ये तो मेटल सीन का मोदी है रे ऐसा वैसा भी बोलता है ब्रो सब मेरे को पीछे से सुनने आता है नहीं डूड है आते रहता है गाना खुशी होती है एंड I have recently realized कि हाँ why do people think that ऐसा full right wing kind of propaganda मैं spread करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ इसमें कि just for the feeling of metal love not because the band is अच्छा या फिर ऐसा but bro like unless and until you give that band a chance कि उसका वो originals play कर सके या फिर कर नहीं सके तो तब तक कैसे समझेगा ना, या फिर इट डज नॉट मीन कि एक बैंड के लिए 20 ही लोग आ रहे हैं तो ही डज नॉट डिजर्व टू प्ले क्योंकि उसके लिए सिर्फ 20 लोग आ रहे हैं, या फिर वो नूब है क्योंकि उसके लिए 20 लोग आ रहे हैं. ही कैन बी प्लेइंग अ जॉनर व्हिच इज दैट मच नीश कि सिर्फ 20 लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है ब्रो. बट इन सच कंडीशंस
3 लोग के लिए बजे.
No,
That's
we've all been
that's
there.
it, yeah.
We've all been there.
3 people.
obviously dude we all
3
have
people
been
to
there.
playing for that crowd.
तो numbers को literally मत ले रहे.
Yeah,
20 यानी कम.
हाँ,
Okay.
समझ रहा हूँ.
तो अभी ऐसा सीन चल रहा है बॉम्बे में कि ओके इफ यू आर अ बैंड हु इज पुलिंग एटलीस्ट दीज मेनी पीपल तभी ही तेरे को शायद अपन लेंगे अपने लाइनअप पे. ये जो बिग बॉम्बे बैंड्स है वो सब सीन कर रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट आई फील इज कि ऐसा नहीं है डूड. लाइक अगर एक बैंड है जो बजाना चाहता है एंड ही नोज कि ओके ही कैन नॉट पुल 30 40 50 लोग, दैट्स व्हाई ही वुड बी गेटिंग पेड ओनली x and x amount after the production and all is getting. So this is like trying to build कि हाँ okay चल ये बैंड जाके बजाएगा तो शायद और 4 बैंड्स के लिए जो 30 लोग आए हैं each वो इसको सुन के शायद इसका फैन फॉलोअर बढ़े. You know, so
even one nation we had Infestation from Nagpur.
dude,
क्या बैंड था.
the same where it does
Alchemist and dude, yeah, we crazy. We were talking about it with Godless only.
Seriously.
This is the only reason Vibrous still alive because we try our level best to bring new bands into the spotlight.
Even when I was doing Roots, I think there was always a time where I used to book like 2 big bands who will pull the ground, and there would always be one smaller band. Who
yes,
will open the
and
ground.
Infestation roots से ही उठाया है ब्रो ब्लैक ब्लड ने.
Obviously, because it was very necessary. अगर ये बैंड
Infestation
को लोग
is-
चांस नहीं दोगे तो ये बैंड बड़ा नहीं होगा.
Exactly, and they will feel कि अरे shows ही नहीं है बजाने के लिए, हम लोग क्यों म्यूजिक बनाए.
मतलब यही लोग हैं ना, मतलब
कंपटीशन नहीं है नए बैंड्स के लिए बजाने के लिए, वो लोग के लिए स्टेजेस नहीं है बजाने के लिए, क्योंकि अगर वो लोग बड़ा नहीं है तो वो लोग को मैं मेरे
They won't
लीग
get
में
booked,
क्यों लूं
yes,
करके,
yeah,
you know.
they won't get booked,
Exactly. And another part is कि in general कॉलेजेस में मेटल नहीं बज रहा है, इसीलिए मेटल का ऑडियंस नहीं बढ़ रहा है.
नहीं बढ़ रहा है.
तूने अपन लोग ने अपने कॉलेज के टाइम में जाके किधर तो
देखा है,
maybe
yeah.
एक देखा रहेगा, हाँ मेरे कॉलेज फेस्टिवल में किसी ने रॉक बजाया. एग्जैक्टली दैट
ऐसा है.
इज गिव मी दैट फीलिंग कि अरे वाओ चलो
सिग्नेमा हर
ये
कॉलेज
मैं
में
कुछ
कंपटीशन
करना
में आया था, हम
चाहता
लोग
हूँ
हर
ऐसा.
कॉलेज में जाते हैं.
It was at the SAS में Signema.
Tour.
हाँ, हम लोग
Tour
tour करने का, हम लोग कंपटीशन टूर्स करने हैं.
Wow.
Competition tour. मतलब 4 दिन में 4 कंपटीशन बजा रहे सिग्नेमा, अपन चारों कंपटीशन जाते.
Oh man.
And after out of
हाँ.
nowhere, सूअर के बच्चे.
But this is back in what 2010, 12.
यार dude, तभी था ऐसा
तभी था.
9 to 13 टाइप्स में थोड़ा भी फिर भी
Yeah, but
ऐसा
you-
रहता था.
After like Infestation, the very first thing other there was the grind bands that.
Yeah, exactly.
The bands, I don't know from
मतलब
where you found
देखो
them,
वो
but
बैंड्स के
like-
लिए ना बैंगलोर से मतलब फ्रेंड्स आई हैव ऑन फेसबुक, तो वो लोग मैसेज कर रहे थे कि यार तुम लोग क्या बैंड्स को लेकर तुम लोग बहुत मजे करने वाले लाइक. एंड हम लोग से लाइक कोई पब्लिक ही नहीं है इधर पे.
There was no hype.
जो-
There was
yeah,
no hype.
Good, पर जो भी पब्लिक आया ना उन लोग ने.
हाँ
I think-
बहुत बहुत
I think
बहुत
that's
बहुत
that's
बहुत
obviously,
जो
and that's
नाचे हैं यार,
Finally that's the
जो नाचे
गरबा कर रहे थे.
सब गरबा सब chill.
वाह ऐसा दूध निकालने का
अरे फोटोग्राफर सब कैमरा लेके नाच रहे हैं.
डिस्को चल रहा था ब्रो. मैं
कैसे control करेगा?
नाच रहा था
Fun
dude.
week. That was a fun week.
Yeah, I mean, grind is always a great party if you want to like make it into one. But
ओके सो लेक्चर
Yeah.
टाइम ये है कि अगर तुम ये
Lecture-
पॉडकास्ट देख
lecture
रहे
से पहले एक और चीज
हो
पूछो.
और मेरी बात सुन रहे हो, सुनना
और
मेरी
यहाँ
बात.
तक देख लिया तो
सुनो.
बहुत अच्छी बात. Thank you.
Make sure-
Demon Stealer himself.
डोंबिवली का डीमन स्टीलर हिमसेल्फ
हाँ.
कि मेक श्योर कि इफ यू आर प्लेइंग इन अ बैंड और इफ यू फकिंग सपोर्ट मेटल म्यूजिक इन एनी वेज, ट्राई एंड इन्फ्लुएंस द यंगर जनरेशन. तुम लोग से 4-5 साल बड़े लोग ऐसा अरे वाह गिटार वाजो तो ऐसा कर रहा रहेगा ना तुम लोग को अरे ये म्यूजिक सुन तू तेरे को शायद अच्छा लगेगा. ऐसा मत कर कि डाल मत उसके मुंह में, बट सुनाओ ब्रो पब्लिक
Nice
को
food,
मेटल
that's
म्यूजिक
okay.
सुनाओ.
Yep.
यू नो ऐसा
नहीं,
try
वही-
करो.
वही नहीं हो
Because
पाता है ना.
अपने को किधर से तो सुनने आया, लाइक वी fucking got to know about metal through some sources. I remember watching Cartoon Network के ऊपर
Yeah, Linkin Park used to play Points of Authority.
Points of Authority. वो
That animated video.
Yeah.
feeling man. I want kids nowadays to fucking
But
experience
अभी का
that
scene-
feeling, that rage, you know. And the worst part is that it has been replaced a lot on live क्या बोलते हैं उसको, by electronic musician, क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन में ज्यादा नहीं लगता है. बंदा एक बंदे को अपन अगर किधर से तो लेके आ रहे एक फिरंगी, नहीं बेबी मेटल इज स्टिल मेटल ब्रो.
नहीं, अभी metal का
तो
अलग
समझ रहे
तरह का
डीजे
scene क्या है?
प्रोड्यूसर्स हैव टेकन लाइक कॉलेज फेस्टिवल्स के ऊपर अगर देखेगा तो सब मर्ज रहता है
Yeah,
या फिर तेरा कोई तो ढिचिक ढुचिक व्हाटएवर जो भी रहेगा, समझ रहा है वो
Accessible
एक गोरे
commercial
बंदे
music.
को एग्जैक्टली, तो एक गोरे बंदे को लेके आएंगे किधर से तो 30-40 हजार रुपए में
धुंगन हिलाने के लिए.
डूंगा हिलाने के लिए बस बटन दाबा, अरे वादन है. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट दैट म्यूजिक बट आई एम अगेंस्ट व्हाट द म्यूजिक हैज डन फॉर मेटल ब्रो. लाइक उसके वजह से गांड लग गई है और लग गई है.
You know what?
नो डाउट इन
अरे काफी मेटल पब्लिक का ये सीन है कि
They are listening to this shit and they've gone into that and they don't want to
अरे
go back.
मैं भी नहीं करते यार.
नहीं, they don't want to go back. They're like,
जो
okay, you
फेसबुक
know,
में मीम बनता है, it's a phase that has been proving right.
yeah, like it's a phase, and like they've moved on to the next trend, and then they move on to the other one, and then like you know, then they'll settle for listening to Beatles and drinking whiskey. I don't know.
नहीं, it's more
मतलब
like
होते रहेगा.
ऐसा भी
चीजें
सीन
होते
हो गया है
रहेगा.
कि if a metal head like तू मेटल सुनता है या नहीं सुनता तू चूतिया. अरे सुनाओ उनको यार, सुनाओ यार.
तो
नहीं करते.
और वो भी है ब्रो, मेटल हेड्स का तो अलग चूतिया है भाई.
I still remember.
अरे तो डूम सुनता है शी,
We are very
अरे
sure.
तो थ्रैश सुनता है शी, अरे तो टेक सुनता है
डेथ मेटल
शी.
इधर, ट्रैश मेटल ये, ऐसा सब चलता रहता है.
मेटल कॉमन है सब लोग में यार.
We had this
Come on.
experiment.
We have hemoglobin.
Reaction video, yeah.
Hemoglobin is metal. We all
Exactly.
have it. What the fuck are you all
We
doing?
need to
But yeah, like I mean, sure, we bicker a lot. हम लोग में individually, like within, there are a lot of factions that exist in the scene between cities, inside a city. वो सब होता है. I mean,
obviously
you have
human tendency.
It is human tendency.
Yeah.
Cliques exist. That's okay. That's friend circles. There's no need for enmity or like bad
No,
blood.
There's no enemy.
No need for
man.
bad blood. You only
Not
need
bad
black
blood,
blood.
black
We
blood.
only need black blood. We only need black blood. United we hate.
United we hate
ये अच्छा है.
EDM.
The main city.
ये अच्छा है.
Yeah, it's I think it's a title also.
United
Nice
way.
one, United
मिल
way.
गया.
United
एक
way.
hashtag मिल गया.
Yeah,
Thanks for the
Next
hashtag.
hashtag United we hate.
Black blood 70.
आएगा कभी कभी तो.
कभी तो आएगा.
कभी 15 तो डिसाइडेड है ना.
उसका मिल गया.
उसका
उसका
time
टाइम
है.
फुल क्रेडिट्स दे रहे इसके लिए. नहीं इसको दे रहे सॉरी.
And I think I've copied it of some bands. I can't recollect right now. But the talk about the last.
United we hate.
So after the last
Creator.
edition of Black Blood, what's up next?
Okay, so next up is
Black Blood
15th edition of Black Blood, which is also thankfully the 3rd anniversary क्योंकि अप्रैल में हो रहा है तो भाई चलो anniversary
साल.
मना लेंगे. तो
3
Yeah,
साल
we are-
ठीक है यार, थोड़ा
we may
रिस्पेक्ट
be-
है.
थोड़ा सा लाइनअप भी ऐसा क्रेजी वाला होगा.
we might-
बहुत,
हाँ,
बहुत.
वो ऐसा है थोड़ा क्रेजी है.
थोड़ा
Black Blood के
crazy
हिसाब से
है.
थोड़ा क्रेजी जरूर है.
होना भी चाहिए, they deserve
420,
that, man.
okay, 420 याद रखना भाई लोग.
420 लोग भी आना चाहिए.
420 लोग आया तो मैं 420 जॉइंट्स रोल करके पिलाएगा वो लोग को.
It's like
अगर
if you guys into thrash, then you have to be in 420.
Absolutely, we're gonna do this.
yes
420 joints.
Death metal तो भी 420.
Machine gun joint फूकने वाला है.
I will.
Habitat room is going to get
420
fucking.
हो रहा है तो 420 जॉइंट्स बनाएगा.
मैं बनाएगा ब्रो. मैं इधर अभी चालू कर देगा बैठे बैठे बनाने को.
That's it.
पूरा पैकेज लेके आने वाला. मर्च काउंटर में नो टी-शर्ट्स. नहीं मर्च जॉइंट.
ये हमारा मर्च है.
ये हमारा ब्लैक ब्लड पेपर के साथ रहेगा.
You'll have bands playing and then you'll step out into the smoking room to get hotboxed.
Yeah.
That's what's going to happen. 420 edition.
Exactly. 420 इसीलिए है वो.
Any
Be separate.
last few words on the podcast, Adit? You guys as well. Like anything you guys have been like
यार तुम
wanting
लोग
to say.
एक करके बोल. अरे
हाँ,
किरण
चलो.
बोला ही नहीं इधर.
अरे किरण सुमड़ी में is waiting for his chance, man. उसको पता है रे पब्लिक
Okay,
को
this is-
देख रहा है.
This is going to
वो
be.
यार वो ऐसा नहीं.
हाँ.
आशीर्वाद माझा आशीर्वाद है.
Godfather.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
बोल,
this
बोल,
is-
बोल. Okay,
think,
हाँ,
think
एक-एक
about
करके.
this as the हरामखोरिंग yearbook. ठीक है, तुम लोग का एक मस्त फोटो आएगा और उसके नीचे एक कोट आएगा. ठीक है.
Sorry.
हाँ, तो किरण go for it.
अरे इतना सीरियस नहीं है.
किरण ठीक
Wait,
है ब्रो.
the-
वो लड़की तुझको
Dank queens only.
अरे उसको बोलने दो.
So yeah, we expect a lot of people to come because हम लोग we are trying our best. Not only because हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे. हम लोग just it's the love for the music that is what drives us. He's working, all of these are working. हम लोग सब लोग काम कर रहे हैं, but for like just one weekend or something, we all come together, we make this happen. आप लोग को मजा आता है. Whoever has attended Black Blood can vouch for it. There कोई भी ऐसा no one goes with like अरे यार क्या बैंड बजा है. सब लोग खुश होके जाते हैं.
ये बात है. I felt this. And
हाँ,
it's not कि हम लोग खुद के गिग की तारीफ कर रहा है या फिर
No,
लाल कर रहा है.
it's fair enough.
Genuinely is that
Fair enough.
you can vouch for it.
I have come
And
to
everyone
find
who's
my
over here,
day
man.
one with Pankaj.
ऐसा dude.
rampage और तभी क्या मजा है.
और ब्रो वो स्माइल्स और वो खुशी के लिए
Exactly,
पब्लिक
that
कर
is-
रहा है
that
ब्रो,
is-
और
that is
कुछ नहीं
what
चाहिए
drives
अपने
us.
को, और क्या चाहिए dude?
The best, summary of a Black Blood gig is the final photo that gets taken at the
वो
end of
हमने
the
शुरू
night.
किया है. तीन चार
courtesy-
edition से.
Courtesy Mr. Ranga.
Mr. Ranga,
Yeah.
panda photography. There's always the panda emoji. Yeah. And I mean, Pacifist is glad, like, we played great photos also. Thank you so much. Featuring on the CAD lineup
अब
as
हमने
well.
videos का भी trend start कर दिया है.
Daj has had a great, experience playing shows. And I'm sure, like, a lot of other, yeah, it means a lot. And I'm sure a lot of other bands will agree very hard. बहुत hard. तो उसी बात पे हम लोग looking forward to the next Black Blood edition. Please be there. This is going to be an epic
मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ.
brotherhood
बोलो ना.
celebration of sorts.
तू
Yes.
तू अभी तक कुछ बोला ही नहीं है.
Final
बोल ना.
words.
अपने बॉम्बे के बैंड सब भाई लोग को मेरे तरफ से एक ऐसा
सलाम.
horns up है, क्योंकि तुम लोग ने सपोर्ट किया है. It is because of the bands that Black Blood has happened. It is not because of us, frankly speaking, because they have always been a part of it.
बैंड से play किया 10 से
नहीं,
10.
ऐसा बनता है ना भैया, डिप्लोमेसी थोड़ा
हाँ, करना पड़ता है.
Election का time पास में है.
वही ना, अभी
Election का time पास में है.
और छेड़ सकता है इंडिया में. ऐसी
ब्लॅक
बातें
ब्लडला
भी नहीं
वोट
कर
द्या.
सकता क्या?
तुमचा वोट द्या. ब्लॅक
ब्लॅकब्लडला
ब्लडला
वोट
वोट द्या.
द्या.
हाँ.
द्या.
all about
Gigs ना या.
public and bands.
On that note, we will go back to Haramcore
Plays.
and this time we will be playing Festacon's Laundry Day Blues.
Cheers. You're listening to Haramcoring. Stay Haramcore.
Oh yeah. Alright. It's a drinking song, baby. Wait. What? No. Oh boy, here we go again, these baskets. I am with the riverbanks. Wondering why I never see any blankets. Choosing to hide beneath the masses. Just please stay away from me. No. Just go. Hi guys. Get out of here in suit and jackets. Sorry, son, but now you leave in a casket. Don't let me, sir. I'm just a little son. Oh God, no, sir. Are those matches? Oh. Oh no, you've done it again. Now you gotta face the wrath of the Almighty. Sorrow yesterday, a parallel take my life.